Today, I'm really excited because I'm unboxing two new pieces of gear that are going to help take my garden to the next level. But first, a shout out to Mars Hydro for sponsoring the channel. Their continued support helps me to continue to grow and to learn. Don't forget to check out, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. Alright, let's dive into the video. First up, let's check out the Mars Hydro iFresh Smart Inline Fan. This is a game changer for ventilation in your grow room or your tent because it's a smart fan. It has temperature and humidity sensors, which can be controlled remotely through an app. So, here's the fan itself. We'll open this up. So it comes with the dial remote. The power cord. A little instruction booklet. And the inline fan. So the fan itself is sleek and solid, and it's pretty compact for how powerful it is. It comes with all the necessary fittings such as the clamps for the ducting, and it comes with the ducting of course, and it comes with a 4-inch carbon filter, which will help eliminate the odors in the house. So here's what really makes it stand out, is the sensor. You just plug it in and the fan automatically adjusts to the conditions within your tent. It's ideal for keeping your environment stable, especially during flowering when your plants need stable temperatures and humidity. Alright, that's it for that one. Next up we have the Mars Hydro DWC Hydroponic System. DWC stands for Deep Water Culture, which means that your plant's roots are going to be submerged in oxygen-rich, nutrient-filled water. I am really excited to try this. I've never done this before, so I'm most likely going to need a lot of help, a lot of suggestions. My first question to you guys that run the DWC is, what nutrients should I use? I'm kind of leaning, I'm thinking about maybe using Athena this run, and I'm just starting to look into it, but let me know in the comments what you use and what you suggest that I use. Alright, let's open her up. Here now we got inside, these are the called the net pots, and these are the clay pellets that go inside that, and that's supposed to help keep your plant standing up and help keep your plant stable. Inside we got the air pump, another little instruction booklet, and there's the pump right there itself. So what the air pump does is it oxygenates the water. And they got some sort of panels, and I'm assuming it goes on top here somewhere. We got an air stone, actually we got two of them, and that's to distribute the bubbles evenly. Bunch of connectors, and the hoses that go, I'm assuming, from the pump to inside the bucket. Not entirely 100% sure how it works, but we'll figure it out. So this system is ideal for anybody looking to maximize growth speed and yield. I'm told you get better control over your nutrients, and the root zone is always oxygenated, so your plants can grow faster and stronger. So these two products, the iFresh Smart Inline Fan and the DWC Hydroponic System, it's going to make a big difference in my gardens. The fan will help keep my environment stable, and the DWC system will help my plants thrive with the roots being submerged in nutrient-rich water. Stay tuned for future videos where I'll be setting these up and showing you how they work in real time. If you're thinking about upgrading your grow setup, definitely keep these products in mind. Don't forget to use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself some money. And don't forget in the comments below, let me know your tips for DWC. Let me know what kind of nutrients you use, let me know your routine, any kind of other products you might use. Like I said, now I'm a total newbie again, I'm back to being a rookie. And I gotta learn a whole new system now. I'm pretty intimidated by it, but I think I'll be alright. I got a few guys in my Discord that are pretty good at DWC, so I'm pretty sure they'll help me out. But yeah, let me know what you recommend in the comments. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit the like button and subscribe for future gardening content. Until the next video, peace.